see it. So go back to the code. So it's making sense gradually. So let's go back to the code. Let's begin to add some things to this. So the parent list, the nav list. So let's even begin to look at the nav link. So which one is the nav link? That is the anchor tag itself. You can see the anchor tag, this one. Okay, you can see it. We want to add on this, we want to make it bigger. So I'm still going to add on this, okay, to bring it to the center so that it aligns very well and also make it big. Okay, we can work on the title. Okay, anymore, let's work on the logo. Let's work on the logo. So let me bring dot logo somewhere here, because dot logo. So let's make it font size. Font size, let it be 50 pixel. Just saying. Let's check it out. I think it's better now. Okay, I think it's big. So whatever you want to use as logo, you can use it. So I'm going to work on the nav link. I can come here, copy the name of the class. Okay, let's work on this list first. So this is how to style list. Okay, so let's put lists. So I put list style type. So let's put none. Okay, so we have, let me check it. Let's check it. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's good now. So let's go to nav link. Let's go to nav link. So I want you to see what we do to nav link. So I'm going to copy this style. Okay, so copy it, put it here. So put it here. So we have the nav link. Okay, so we have the nav link. So we have text decoration, which is none. Text decoration is none. Get it. Okay, so let's give it font size. Let's give it like 18 pixel. 18 pixel. Okay. Then let's get font weight. So make it bold. Let's put 500. Okay, let's check it. Let's see what this has done. You can see it's better now. So we need to change the color. We need to change the color of this link. So that's the thing. So I think that one will lead us to, because we need to begin to look at the color you want to use. So on your own, you can choose your own color. So I will take you, go to this website, colors.co. But there are many other color sites. But let's just use this. So you can click on start generator. Okay. Then you can see different X color that you have. If you want to change it, you can press space bar. Press the space bar, it will change it for you. If you want to lock this one so that all these other ones change, see this one is locked. If you want to unlock it, you can click on it to unlock it, click to lock it. Others will change, it will not change. But if you unlock it and click on space bar, everything will change together. So